welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Coinbase. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from us. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Coinbase app. Once the main tab is open, you'll find 9 dots at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it and then it will take you to the left hand side menu. Now click on Profile and Settings, which is in the first option, and once the tab has opened, scroll down till you find Appearance, which is under Display. So once this tab is open, here you'll be able to change your device appearance to light or to dark. So that's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.